Hey everyone, welcome back to Electrified Deliveries. Thank you so much for watching. Saturday morning, 8 a.m. I'm doing something a little different today. I am going to Uber until my battery dies. That's right. I'm going to go all the way until I'm almost dead, and then I'm going to charge it right back up. So we are starting off at just over 80%. For those who don't drive an EV, you need to have it around 80% in the summer. I do go up about 90% in the winter time, but that's recommended by Tesla, so that's what I do. I want long-term benefits for my vehicle, but I'm gonna drive all day. I'm gonna give you hourly updates to see how we're doing in terms of money and how we're doing in terms of my battery. I'm not sure how long I'm gonna go. Uber will time me out at the 12-hour mark, so that's my only caveat. If they time me out, that's it. There's nothing more I can do. We haven't got our first order yet, but I want to share a little contest I'm going to have today. So what I'm going to do is for all your comments down below, and please indicate whether you're US or Canada, I'm going to be giving out one US Grubhub gift card for $20 and one Canadian Uber Eats gift card, again, for $20. That's just my way of thanking you for commenting, and you also have to subscribe to the channel as well. Every little bit will help the channel, and I'll update you when I get my first offer. Wow, what a horrible first hour. That's why I never go that early, 8 o'clock in the morning. I only got the two offers, total $11.21. That's the first hour. Doing a battery check, we are at 76%, so we lost 5%, mainly because it got really hot and I needed to use the AC. Anytime you use AC or heat, the battery goes down. I'm trying to avoid it. I'm not going to do anything different than what I typically do on a normal Uber day. Perfect, thank you.
Good day.
You too.
Yeah, there's
That's
two, but they're for the same person. He called.
There's Wendy's. Yeah, no problem. Joy, thank you. Appreciate it. Have a wonderful day. Got your breakfast for you.
Great, thank you.
Enjoy. Have a wonderful day. Thanks. Wow, what a slow morning. It's been a half hour since I last spoke to you. I thought it was only going to be maybe 5-10 minutes. 30 minutes, unacceptable. Customers, what are you doing? I need good orders. Just the one? Thank you. Appreciate it. Thanks. So at the top of the hour, we are at $46.91 and 61% battery. You know what? Horrible start to the morning. I would have called it quits long ago, but I want to see how long I can go, and hopefully it turns around for the 11 o'clock hour, but it hasn't. 20 minutes later, I got my first offer worth taking. Oh, it's ready. Perfect. Thank you. You too. Take care. Oh, wonderful. Thank you. Appreciate that. Yes, for Stacy.
Awesome.
Thank you. Enjoy. You too. Take care. I only got two that last hour, so it brings my total to $63.99 and 54% battery. But to start the noon hour, I got a really good one. Oh, wonderful. Thank you. Appreciate it. You too. Thank you. Enjoy. Wonderful. Thank you. Appreciate that. I got your lunch for you. Yeah, there you go. Enjoy. Thank you. Take care. So it's been about 2 hours since I last spoke to you. It's been really slow. I've only been getting 2 orders per hour. It brings our total now to 104.71. Not really happy about that. 36% battery. I'm not sure how much this is going to keep me going, but I'm hoping to get more orders. I'm hoping it picks up. Comment down below, have you ever done a Saturday afternoon? It just seems like it sucks. I didn't get anything over lunch that was worth it except for that one sushi order. I don't want to discount that. That made my day so far. But everything other than that, these orders I'm getting are really, really bad. One was $3.66 for 46 minutes, going way, way out of my zone. Not going to do that. Definitely, I don't know who in the right mind's going to take it. I don't have anything yet, but we'll keep you updated. Hi, delivery for Ryan.
Thank you very much,
Thank you. Enjoy.
Have a good one.
You too. So it's been 2 hours since I spoke to you last, and this day is killing me. The 2 o'clock hour, 2 to 3, I got no orders worth taking. Nothing. I wasted my time. 3 o'clock, it was a little bit better. I got 2 more orders in that hour. They gave me an add-on for $3.75. I said no, even though it's an extra 8 minutes, kind of thinking maybe I should have taken it, so I'm not just sitting here waiting. Battery update, I'm at 26%. Money update, I'm at 120.71. So far, just a really shitty day. Not too happy. Now that it's 4 o'clock, hopefully it's not a bad next hour, and then we can get into the dinner rush, and then hopefully make some money before I die. Perfect, thank you, sir.
Have a nice day, man.
You too. There you go, enjoy. Take care. Thanks. It's not there now, so you're all good.
Yeah, that's great.
There you go, enjoy. Have a wonderful night.
Take care.
Appreciate it, thanks. Okay, it's 5 o'clock and we're into the dinner rush. Just an update on the battery, 22%. Update on the money, $132.71. That last drop off, it was $5. It was quick. That is the reason I took it. But here's a funny tidbit. If anyone watched the video, I got tip baited. That's the customer who tip baited me. She only tipped $2 this time. Let's see if she pulls it. Comment down below. Pause right now. Comment, let me know your thoughts. Is she going to pull her tip? Is she just a serial tip baiter? Or is it just because I actually sucked that day? Love to know your thoughts.
JJ, yes it is.
Perfect. Appreciate it. Thank you. Have a great night. There you go. You got it? Perfect. Enjoy.
Take care, all right?
You too. Wonderful. Thank you. Have a good night. Thank you. Oh, no, it's not you.
I have a black box, so I don't bend down.
Oh, no, no, it's fine. I have it for you.
so much.
No problem. Enjoy. Thank you. Appreciate that. So I have some updates to share. The person who tip baited me before a few hours ago, guess what? She tipped. I know it was only $2, but you never know if she was going to pull it. I think it was just because she didn't like that I didn't give her bags on that shop and pay order. Anyways, got the tip. That's really good. The customer for the 2 pizzas that gave a really good tip, they gave an additional $1.70. Love that. Thank you to those customers. Really appreciate that. Rooftop patio. Last time was over 20 minutes wait. This time only 5. They're getting their act together. Thank you. Really happy about that. Which took me to 7 o'clock. That was at 10% battery. So I've been waiting and driving around and hoping to get another offer. Guess what? Nothing. Not even bad offers. No offers have come in. So now I'm at 7% battery. It's 7:30, a half hour later. I always said when I get to single digits, I'm going to have to go to a supercharger and get myself charged up. So I'm not going to hit 0%, but I did hit $173.48. Uber is going to time me out in 30 minutes anyway, so I'm going to end it here. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss another ride-along in my Tesla Model 3. Also a reminder, I'm giving away a $20 US Grubhub gift card and a $20 Canadian Uber Eats gift card. All you have to do is comment. Just put your country's flag with your comment so I know you want to be entered and I know what draw you're going to be into. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you later.